What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It is very late. Alright, let's continue this. Yeah, let's continue this. Yeah, this I did also. Yeah, not so bad. Easily can go into this 1 hour. Very easily could go here. Maybe a bit richer. What the fuck? Oh yeah, this is crazy. It just tapped that. Instant rejection, good displacement. Now it's retracing. And again, I don't like this volume. It's just way too much. It's like crazy. What low is this? This is London, this is Asia. There's also the 4-hour gap. Alright. If I can get one more displacing candle. Well, that's too much. Yeah, that's too much. Cannot enter. Now this would be tricky. I don't know. Not going to enter that. Just put it in. Just put it in. Alright, so I think this was a good day to trade. Definitely pretty mad about this one. He took the internal draw immediately. And thinking about entering this, but this would be just way too tricky. Like, I preferably want to target this London low because it's the first draw. I'd way more rather take a trade like a trade like this. Just another candle closing there, not taking the internal high. It would have been good, but that didn't happen. So nothing. Oh yeah, this is the crazy dump. Market crash. Yeah. There's no point in longing this. Yeah, and shorting immediately from here. Like this. Like, oh my god, that previous candle, but taking an entry like this here would be, I think, a good trade, but the target should be like way closer here. It shouldn't be like that much RR. The probabilities just go down if I take a trade like that. Now I took the internal. Takes those highs. Alright, displacement. This. I'm not entering this still. I need like, still I need a better place. Okay, this is now I'm ready to take a trade. After this, I'm not ready to take a trade. Like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, nope. Market just didn't want to move more than that. The draws were too far away. Can't do anything. Oh, let me take that back. Okay, so now it's looking better. We still have the big draw and we have this higher time frame internal low. It's in this range still, but now it's kind of displacing out of it. 5 minute looks ugly, 15 minute kind of ugly. So I'm stay on the 5 minute until it clears out the direction. Okay, this is okay. Displacement. Oh, this was news. Yeah, I really don't enter before red folder news event, so there's high possibilities of me entering there, and I actually shouldn't like real time take those trades because of the news. Nothing. I don't like this range. I do not like this range at all. But these draws, they look nice. Yeah, the draw is looking pretty nice. Don't like these candles. Yeah, like, what is this? Like, what is this? Oh, that is 4 hour equal highs. And there's this 1 hour also. It edges that. No, not taking this because of the RR. Otherwise, and also I disrespected that candle. There would be down here any gap, but that ain't that like important. I mean, yeah, it is. Very easily could do that, so no, no. Yeah, you see, it just doesn't want to go immediately. That's a bad sign. That is a bad sign. Now maybe to this, or maybe not. Tap this. Come on, play it. Yeah, don't like this. I'm just not having a good vibe about this entry, so I'm going to take it. Yeah, there's no more good draws to target. So next day. That was news. So we took these lows. I guess this is the next one. Probably we'll just go the first candle. Or maybe not. Wait, now I have to look. Now I have to look. So it takes these highs. Okay. I really like this displacement a lot. And the draw is pretty good. And the direction overall higher time frame is the same. I really like this. The RR wouldn't be good. Let's see, I'd have to target the next low logically and probably just kind of trail this type of trade. Oh, is this news? Nah, it's not news, it's just displacement. Yeah, I'm going to take this. The how I'm going to manage this trade will probably be different than the other trades on the internal break even. So hold it volume. All right, interesting. What is different about this trade than the other ones? Well, we're not really here trending. We were kind of retracing, and then we just had a massive candle to the downside. The 5-minute and the 15-minute we didn't retrace into any gap. On the 1-minute though, there was this gap on this candle that we wicked into. And yeah, could do is like, I don't know why. What can I think about this trade? Well, overall, it just doesn't look like the same as my trades. We're still in this range, right? We're still in the range. We're not really trending that much. I just took it off this displacement. I mean, we are trending here. Then we had a bigger retrace, kind of in this range, and a bigger retrace here, and then displacement down. Just enter off of that. The draws were so close, like it makes sense that just market just wants to go there just because of the displacement, that big candle. Yeah, this is overall like maybe one reason why this wasn't that good of a trade. Could be that there was just instantly one big candle, and I just kind of, it's like when it's that big volume of a candle, there's more volatility, so it can go into the either direction, up or down, like instantly just by going. So it makes it unpredictable. And it didn't look that clean, really honestly. Yeah, that the reason for the trade was just the displacement and the draws being so close and the higher time frame being like the same. Maybe the volume was 50-point candle trade of straight of displacement, not so clean looking, just based of displacement and draw liquidity. Yeah, not really sure what to like think about it, but definitely not that clean, so probably shouldn't have taken it. But I'm still like I still like have the same opinion that it would be way more like probable that it continues to go and take this draw because it's so close, and the displacement there, it just tells that market wants to go where it goes. So yeah, can't do anything about it anymore but to look back and analyze and think. So yeah, next day, let's see what actually happened. Okay, so we took that, then we went up, didn't take, I don't know if it's even like okay to call this data high because it's not the biggest candle like there, but didn't go there, and there wasn't that big of a like that, there wasn't an imbalance, and there wasn't a big imbalance to fill here. But after that, we trended down good, like pretty goodly towards the draw. Actually, like I think it was this draw. Let's see if there was any other trade on the day that possibly. Oh yeah, no, there wasn't anything here. There's no entry anywhere, but the draw was correct. Yes, yeah. I guess that's kind of unlucky, also, but still not the cleanest type of trade. But I think it's still like takeable. I'm going to need to take more of these very high volume entries and see how they end up going. But yeah, let's move on. Yeah, fuck. My brain froze. Okay, focus. Oh, come on, man. I also bought a GoPro a couple days ago, so I can film more content on it, like real life content. Yeah, alright, these are my draws. We are retracing at the moment. Yeah, I'm not taking this. Talking about like taking traders off of high volume, but this is there's no retrace on that, so can't take it. I'm gonna go down to the 30-second if it continues and it gives me an entry. This like no, not taking that. Probably the next candle will be like big. I'm just predicting it. All right now. Yeah, so it doesn't want to go. Now we have retraced. We have retraced. Now something like this. Not really sure. I mean, yeah, this retrace, there's so many candles that took it to take here, but just in 3 candles it took halfway of that. This displacement is alright, it's takeable, I think. And the draw is good. Even though it disrespected this 5-minute gap and also disrespected these 1-minute gaps, but it also kind of took this into these highs, so kind of a manipulation like liquidity instead of taking an imbalance and displacement down. So I think this is a good trade. Let's see if I can get a good RR here. Yeah, that. Well, this stop loss. Yeah, I think it's a okay stop loss. This take profit, yeah, just a 1-to-1. I'm going to take this. Break even on the internal. Well, I guess I could. Come on, play. Oh no. Right, good. And they're on break even. Oh. There I am, break even. Please don't break even me here. Come on, man. Don't do it. Boom. Simple trade. stop loss was in a good place because it had this imbalance, and the imbalance kind of stops like here because there's also another gap, so a little bit above that, it makes sense, and it retraced there, then continued going. I think this is a clean trade, a safe entry, and just an overall nice trade. This trade was kind of mixing with taking like those 1 minute highs. Nice clean trade instead of filling an imbalance on the retrace. It's swoop some 1 minute highs and then displaced towards the draw cleanly. Alright, we made our loss back from that, but still this is just like data studying, so I'm also open to take like those other kinds of trades that maybe aren't that probable. That's already taken. All right, that is fine with me. So this is really far away, the next low, but what the fuck? I mean, we have this low and this low that I think are good draws. Oh yeah, my charts just bugged. What? What the fuck? Yeah, oh hell, I have actually played fix your servers. Fix your shit. I pay for this. Like, okay, so where are we? Okay. Yeah, so those are taken. Those are taken. Wait, what? No, what? Wait, what? Or was this the... Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's my bad. These charts are just bugging. I don't know. Maybe I'm bugging, but yeah. Doesn't make any sense to along this. Only looking for shorts. Don't want to short into this 1 hour gap. Not even to that low, so just play the 5 minute. Let's see, the only thing that it would make sense to long be, I don't think this would be an ideal. Yeah, just really honestly, I'd rather just skip the day than to force a trade. Let's just keep it on the 5 minute. Alright, this is looking nice. Really, like, for taking a swing trade, this is looking like a pretty good one. It retracing, going, but the real draw shouldn't be this one because already this internal I was taken. Yeah, I'm not going to force anything, and I don't even think, I'm not sure, like taking an entry like this, could it be fine or not? Yeah, no, because this is in this 1 hour gap, it's not confirmed the next draw, so yeah, it really needs to confirm that first, or yeah, maybe it doesn't even want to go there, so yeah, yep, not bottom blasting, just also low volume, I mean not low, but yeah, I think this is the, yeah, I guess, yeah, that's the day. That's the, oh yeah, man. Yeah, not taking that. Or is it already taken? Cause like almost equal highs. Let's see it on the 5 minutes. Not that good. I mean, I don't know why it didn't. Why? Oh, this is looking actually good. It's data high. It's data high also a 4 hour gap and a 1 hour gap. But just based on the data high, could be a nice trade. So yeah, I'll be willing to take a trade there. But trading long in here, not really like, I don't like that idea yet. It's just way too like, it's not like safe for me. In my mind, it's not. Unlike this retrace why it goes so good down, but doesn't. Retraces should be like low volume, and the continuation should be more volume for a ideal trade. Probably not going to go there immediately. Yeah, chops around, goes down, fucking go. And now this don't work anymore. Oh, it works. Okay, now this is a 15-minute gap. Alright, yeah, nice. But I think this is a more confirmed draw. So if I can get a continuation here, it would be fine. Is this news? No. No, it's not. Yeah, I don't like this. Honestly, I don't like this. It's back to this choppiness. Probably going to chop there. Okay. It itched that too. Like, choose where you want to go, man. No, taking an entry. Nah. I mean, wait, let's see. This ain't even that good of a data low, I don't think, because it just straight up started going up, not even a little bit down. I'm just not trusting this. No. It's not fucking, yeah, would have been stopped that immediately if I had entered something, some bullshit like that. Mostly trading profitably is just avoiding the losses with continuations. There is a valid draw for our gap. And there it goes. Next day. What the fuck is this range? I do not like this range. I do not like this range at all. Don't like the price action. Alright, not that. Next day. Watch. Now I've done almost half of March. I think I'm just going to do the whole rest of the month. It's like good progress. 1 day, 1 month, 12 days. I've done the whole year, and now then I'll have lots of data to look back on. I honestly just would like to skip these days, but every day there can be a possibility. Only if the possibility is good, you should take the trade. So I also don't want to miss on this because I'm just backtesting. It don't take much time to backtest. I like this high as a draw. I like I like this displacement up. This reaches there's 5-minute gap down here, but it don't matter that much. And there's also this 1-minute gap that it rejected off of. Clean displacement, nice draw. Yeah, this is a good trade. This is just like a normal nice clean trade. But the stop loss, really honestly, I like it as low as possible here. Yeah, 1-to-1 is fine. Break even on the internal. Not looking good. Hopefully it doesn't go more down. I'll mark this out. Break even, please don't break even me here. I would not like that. Please don't fucking. Oh yeah, next 10 seconds is going to break even me. Fuck off, I know. Yeah, this is unlucky, can't do anything about it. Probably not even going to go to the draw because of like this. It would just go there instantly if it would have gone. Yeah, it's just chopping. So yeah, a good stop, good loss, like stopped by just going break even on the internal. This was a good trade, very good trade, I think. Just got break even, and those are part of the strategy. So yeah. Nice, simple, clean trade. Just got break even. Can't do anything about it. This month so far ain't looking that good. We're just break even this month at the moment. So let's lock in and take some good trades and not bad ones. Right, is this data low? Yeah, that's data low. It's an okay data low, but I don't want to force anything. Yeah, this draw, good. Price action, okay. What the fuck? Yeah. Displacement, really good. But like, yeah, this is another trade where I could take the trade just based off of the displacement, because it's retracing here into these gaps and then displacing back up to the draws. But this would be like a live market scenario that I could do. As you can see, if I take this trade with a proper stop loss, really negative RR, so that's not good. So what I would do, actually go down to the, I would like calculate a place in market where I would be okay to enter, and that would probably be right over here if I can get there. So I would just be really ready for it. I'm just put this if I can get an entry there. Oh yeah, I could not get an entry there. And also the stop loss is, now that I'm looking at it, it's not that, like, it doesn't need to be this far away. I don't think there's this last gap. If I just put it like here, it would have been more fine. So that could have gave me a better like opinion on where to enter. So for a same RR, could have entered there, but everyone could have done something. But it's just after, it's just like kind of unlucky. It also didn't give a retrace, but yeah, no trades, and I'm fine with it. I don't think there's a draw lower actually. I think this is for the like down for the day, where market will like go. It will be very likely that it just chops around in this rangy, but yeah, like it did, just ranges. Next day. Yep. All right. Nope, not entering that. That draw is already done, pretty much. Also, almost that one. These are relative equal highs, so a good draw gives her a retrace. Don't like that. Give a deeper retrace. Okay, then don't. Then don't. Then don't. It's fine. You don't need to. It is fine. It is absolutely fine to be gay. Alright? You can be gay if you want. It doesn't matter. I'm not entering this. I am not entering that choppiness. Alright? We fill this new day opening gap. Some solid draws upside. Solid draws to the upside. Come on, why are you doing this? The 4 hour never works. What day is this? It's like 70% of the month done. Oh yeah, 4 hour. Not really that different from the 1 hour. I really like this displacement, the pre-market, but cannot enter this. Boom. Please don't just rip through the draws. Now if it gives a nice displacement. Alright. Maybe it would like to go down more. I'm not sure. I don't like this idea overall, but if the market is saying so and it's a valid draw, I don't see why not. Yeah, this is a valid low, but also even though it's in this new week of like kind of a very value gap, I don't like targeting those, but this is a new day opening gap, so maybe it's like it wants to go and refill imbalances more. So I'll be open to taking the trade there. Not anymore. Like, okay, now this, my mind is just going through the other side to the other, but that's how it goes with good displacement candles. This draw here is still valid. It gave a really nice retrace and also kind of manipulation. And this volume is just, is this news? I think this is news. 19 March 2025. 19th March, December, March, 19th March 2025. There was no news there. Alright, so this is just pure displacement. I'm really liking this idea, this trade idea, but the RR is just not there. I mean, like, it's just not there to draw. Let's see now a actual safe stop loss for this. It would be here, so I really need a good position. It would be there. And yeah, I'm going to do the same method that I did a while ago. If I can get, let's go to the 1 second actually. Give a good, how much is this? You know, I don't still like it that much. A little bit more, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, a little bit more. Boom, boom, boom. Realistically, I could just put a order, like a long order, if it goes here, so it would just fill me like that. probably for more easiness. Is it going to give a retrace? Because now it's looking like it could retrace here, and I really don't need to do this. Yeah, probably going to retrace. Now it chops. So I do not like this. No, this is actually like dumb. This is dumb. Why did I do this? Yeah. Well, trade idea still valid. It was just the execution didn't allow it. And this I really don't like. Oh shit, my battery is low. Battery is low. Battery is low. So yeah, it just didn't. I really don't like holding like 5 minutes. Like a trade like that, it's really it ain't a good sign when you in turn get like 5 minutes of just being. But oh yeah, no, the trading day is still going, so there's many possibilities. How about this draw? Well, yeah, I think it's a solid draw, but I don't think there will be any entry to there. Yep. I do not like this. Probably just going to chop the rest of the day. Not taking. Oh. Alright, so here. I like this internal just by looking at it. I like it. I guess these lows. Oops. These lows I like too. But this, that it hasn't retraced to that. It's kind of weird. Also on ES just equal highs, so I think it's a good draw. So there's a high possibility it will just go there like immediately. Yeah, now it went there. If we can give a V-shaped flip, I'm entering it. And we do not get that. All right. I skip too much. Let me see this. I probably don't even like it. Draw. This now. Yeah. Kind of disrespected this for kneecap, but respected these. Or did they? They did not. Well, Well, what can I do? I like this displacement a lot. And this is trending price action retrace. Not, it's a clean trade, honestly. There's just no like these gaps and everything. They're just not lining up. And I would take this trade only to the other draw and go break even way earlier. So this is kind of a tricky. But I think it's a valid trade still. Yeah, I think it's a valid trade. Break even on the internal. And push. Go on to there 1 second. I do not like that. How it edges that internal. Probably going to go down more. That is a sign of a bad trade, but let's hope. The fact that it hasn't, I don't know if I'm overreacting, but this is actually like, yeah, if I can get break even, I would take it right away. So let's see if I can get break even. I'm taking break even immediately because I do not like that. How is it if it actually doesn't get break even here? All right. Now I took the internal note. Yeah. Because I'm very sure this, even though it doesn't, either it's going to like instantly, more likely to just give a nice candle or just continue going down. This is not like probable at all. Yeah, just going to the stop loss. Definitely took this draw, but not the other one. So yeah. Tricky execution. Yeah, this month also hasn't been that good. How many? Almost an hour. I've been like way more. Yeah, I need still to do 10 days. So this is going to be a long video. Well, it don't matter. I think I'm going to go to the bathroom and then come back. So 1 second. I just took a fat shit. Let's continue. I just want to say, if anybody is watching this, why are you watching this? I want you to think about it. And yeah, and I want you to think about if you're watching this like from the future, like after a year of this. I just want you to see what's like my situation at the moment, and think about it how oops, and think about it how has it changed after 1 year. Anyways, enough yapping. Let's get to this bullshit. I fucking hate this. And right now, I don't care about even. I don't want to do this. I just want to look YouTube and eat. Oh, my brain is not okay for trading at the moment. I'm going to tag it out. It's still okay. It's not that I will take bad trades. It's hard to focus. So I just have to be careful not to enter without even thinking about it. That would be a challenge. Although, like, kind of these draws. Yeah. Yeah. This is also a tricky day for the draw, so that's why it's hard to focus. Yes! No need to take any trades. Is the draw taking? Holy moly. It is not taking yet. Maybe we want to go to this 1 hour gap before. I don't know. Just, yeah, like this draw is just way too good in this 1 hour gap. But boom went. Already did kind of this, but now it's actually displacing more there. So, like, what do I do? Tell me, what do I do? Right now, I know that my brain is not in the mind to take a difficult trade. This is a difficult trade to take. If I take this, I'm just not going to take it. That's simple. Very simple. Just not going to take it. Oof. That's actually like incredible. If it's a hard trade, I just don't even need to take it. I can just fucking skip around and pick my nose and go to sleep. I'm really tired. I want to go to sleep. So next day I don't care about this. I do not care about this. I don't want to do this. Why am I doing this now? Holy fuck, my attention span isn't like made for this. This is like way too much focus. I'm like focusing way too much on this. Holy fuck. I'm feeling lightheaded, really. I I can't even. Holy fuck, how do I get this out? Alright, probably that helped. Hopefully it helped. Yes, next day. Alright, now there's actually kind of easy draws to look at. It's even hard to look at this. Like, oof, I'm going to go crazy if I do more of this. Oof. Oof. Oh, I think it was my sneeze. That's why I felt lightheaded. It was about to come, the sneeze. Definitely that one. It's definitely that. That is definitely why. Now it's this is just playing with me. Why doesn't it skip? Fuck this bullshit, man. How long have I recorded? 1 hour and 5 minutes. Which day is it? Okay, yeah, this weekend is done, right? No, it's Wednesday. Let's see, this weekend is done. No more after that. Boom. That would be nice. I can just turn off my brain, eat some food. Ooh. I'm probably missing some trades when I have skipped like this. Some like actually takeable trades. Hopefully not, because that would affect my like data collection, and I want to have all the data where I actually trade with a clean mind. Now I'm forcing it out. At least I'm not taking bad trades. At least I'm not forcing trades. Now it's Thursday. Oh, tap that, yeah. Really about to get to that. This is not like ideal to trade even, like these conditions. I mean, like this higher time frame, there's no good many draws. I don't like this volatility. I do not like this volatility. Maybe if we can go all the way down here, then I'll like it. If it'll be really simple, probably won't be. Yeah, honestly, I don't like to long this Luminous Day. Oh, these are easy days. That's that's nice. That's the hard part about trading. Like I'm just skipping. Like in 1 hour, I'm skipping through a whole month, which is crazy. Normally I just have to get on and accept the fact that every day when I'm looking at the charts for like a little bit more than an hour, I'll just have to accept that there will be no trades. So my mindset will kind of be like, should be like half of the time I'm just watching YouTube, putting off a timer. So after the timer, I can look, quickly watch, and kind of like that, I'm skipping through minutes. I'm just looking YouTube and putting an alarm for the next minute so I don't get chart blinded. So that's kind of a method that I have been already using these days. It's really hard to just keep looking like raw at these charts for you'll go crazy if you do that. These are shitty draws, low key. There's no good draws close. I don't like. Well, at least I don't have to take trades. Okay, now it's going closer to that, so I have to go down to the lower time frames. Doesn't give me any entry. And it doesn't even like what the fuck is this? This shit dumped like 270 points without giving any retrade on the 1 minute. I mean, there's technically this, but that's not even considerable to take. Like, what the hell is this? Actually, even more than 270. It only takeable if a retrace that could kind of be is this candle. So almost 300 points. That makes no sense. Makes no sense. Now I'm. Fuck, I still have a trade for today. Fucking hell. No sense. Makes no sense to long. Oh no. Are we serious? Are we serious right now? Like, that's taking. This is the next one, which is just way too far away. Yeah, I know it doesn't make any sense to long. Boom. Is it here? Boom, I have done this shit. Let's look at the month. I think it's break even here. Yeah, this was a very fucking slow, shitty month. Low key. Low key. But sometimes there are months like this. Yeah, let's look at the year. February was okay. January, I think January was the best. But also I took like maybe some of these winning trades weren't were were trades that I shouldn't have even taken. Like when I actually get to know what trades should I take and what not. And these losses probably wasn't trades that I should have taken. So, but I still think January was kind of the best month for trades. Then it got slower, and now this month, I mean, there's the same amount of trades that last month, but this is a weird trade. These are two break evens, and this is just a simple, nice, clean win. So break even at that month. Not really sure what to think of that. That is not ideal at all. But tomorrow is going to be April, the next day May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then I am done for this data collection. Then I can actually start to look at this, and that's all. That also will take pretty much time, but that's the sacrifice, and I have to accept that fact that this will take a lot of studying if I'm going to do this data thing. But this data thing allows you to learn trading all by yourself without no mentor, and I have no mentor that will like already kind of know the strategy like 100%. So I think this will be, if you don't want to get a mentor or cannot, I think this is what you should do. I think this is the smartest decision that you can do to become profitable long term, is to do something like this. But yeah, this is a very long video. I bought a GoPro, so I'm probably going to do, like with the recaps, I'm going to do like kind of a day in the life video, or day or week of the okay, week of what? Week in the life. Yeah, wait, I'm probably going to do that. I don't know, going to the gym and doing stuff, and it will also force for me to do more stuff that I'm going to record doing stuff. So good for me anyways. And I'm just going to yap there and year. But yeah, I'm going to fall asleep. I know. I'm very tired. I don't know why I'm still recording this. Why I haven't stopped it. Yeah, I don't. What the fuck am I doing? Like, should I get a job at this point? What the fuck am I doing? Okay, I'm stopping it now.